Welcome to MadeCV.com. What is your name and nationality?
My name is Odina Pilar and I'm from Philippines.
How old are you?
I'm 32 years old.
Are you single or married?
I'm single.
Okay, so what position are you applying for?
I'm applying for a housemaid nanny.
Housemaid nanny. Okay, when would you be able to start working?
I can be free on first week of June.
First week of June. Okay,
Yeah.
so do you have relatives here in UAE?
I think I do have, but I haven't contacted her. I have a cousin.
Okay, so please describe your present job. What are your duties and responsibilities with your present employer?
Okay, I'm doing all the household chores, and then I'm taking care of three kids.
Okay, how old are they?
The oldest is 10 years old,
Mhm.
and the next one is 3, and the youngest is 2.
Okay, so describe how do you clean the house?
Like ordinary, uh, I do
For example, the kitchen. How do you clean the kitchen?
same cleaning. It's like a normal cleaning.
Mm-hmm. But
And
what cleaning materials or chemicals are you
oh,
going to
okay.
use? Mm-hmm.
It depends on what Madam cooking. If she cook fish or chicken, of course I have to use Dettol or Clorox to clean it. So because of the smell and
Yeah. Okay.
so that's it.
Okay.
It
So
depends on
it depends on your
the
employer. Okay. So for the bedroom, how many times in a week do you have to change the bed sheets?
bed sheets is twice a month.
Twice a month.
Yeah, twice
Okay.
a month.
And for the toilet, how do you maintain the cleanliness of the toilet?
Every day I always clean it.
You always clean it every day.
Yeah, yeah. But
Okay.
once a week, it's like my
Deep
madam.
clean. Deep cleaning.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay. Once a week, deep cleaning. Okay.
yeah.
What would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
Oh, presently, my madam is allowing me to take the things. But
Mm-hmm.
if the delivery boy is there, I just open the door and then take the the grocery and then pay and then close the door. It's finished, just like that.
Okay. So, do you know how to cook?
I know some simple dishes because they are Lebanese. So my madam is the one who's cooking, but I'm assisting her. I know how to prepare some salad and soup.
Okay. Do you know how to follow instruction in
Of
cookbooks?
course, yeah, yeah. Follow
You,
some in. I can cook based on recipes or just some instruction.
okay. What favorite activities you enjoy doing with children?
We do love playing Play-Doh, and then sometimes we do painting and coloring, and then we always go to playing area and then just play there.
Okay. If one of the children accidentally hurts himself, what will you do?
Of course, I will go with the kid right away and ask her which part of her body is hurt. And then if my madam is not here, of course, I have to do some first aid,
Mhm.
first aid help, and then I'll call the madam to inform what happened to the kid.
Okay, as a nanny, could you say no to a child?
It depends, but I think no. If she do something not good, I have to show her it's not good. So here in the house, we have my madam and I have this kind of naughty chair. If one of the kids is not following or doing some bad things, they will sit on the naughty chair for 2 to 3 minutes, and after that, if they say sorry and they will not do it again, they are free. So
Oh,
we have this called naughty chair at home.
okay. So the child finishes school at 3 p.m. and she will have her dinner at 6 p.m. During those
Oh,
3 hours, what will you do to entertain the child?
oh, that time after one of the kids going to school, and then my madam is allowing me to play down the playing area with some kids, do
Mhm.
just some activities, and then play with them. The kids are riding bicycle and playing balls.
Okay, so how much is your minimum expected salary?
because I'm almost here for 4 years, I do expect 2,000 dirhams.
At least 2,000.
Yeah,
Okay.
at least 2,000 dirhams.
Describe yourself and give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you?
To my future employer, I think there's no such thing as a perfect maid or housemaid, but I am willing to learn and I'm still willing to learn, so my future employer will going to like me. I'm a cheerful and flexible person, and I think I'm also a bit childish, and so I can interact with the kids and enjoy with them. So I hope I can be one of your family, and then you can like me. That's all.
Okay. So please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you, Adina from
Okay.
MaidCV.com.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.